Valuable set. Please be aware, the seller Leah's shop is selling different item as we listed. Enjoy an inexpensive 6-pack high-quality cables in one package. 3FT is ideal for quick charge, easily bent into small circles to slide into your pocket. Premium quality iPhone charger with lightweight, heat-resistant connectors and highly durable construction for portability ensure complete safety and reliability. Great performance slim aluminum alloy connector with reversible design, allows you to plug in any direction, fit for all the phone cases, no need to take your case off. Guarantee warranty. Provide 1-year replacement or refund warranty. If you have any question about our products, please feel free to contact us. Universal compatibility. The iPhone charger is widely compatible with Lightning devices like iPhone the 12th of December 13 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPhone 11 11th Pro, 11 Pro Max, XR, XS, XS, Max, by, 8 8 Plus, iPhone 7 7 Plus, 6 6 Plus, 6s, 6s Plus, 5 5 S, SE. Top reviews from the United States. A cell phone user's ultimate stash. I need to have these on order at least twice a year. Great product with a quick delivery.